Namaskar. I'm so delighted to see you again. Hope you have followed and learned almost everything we covered in our previous lessons. Today, we are going to revisit some of the words, phrases, and sentences we learned recently. In particular, we will review the size adjectives you already know and introduce some new ones to help you describe the sizes of various objects in Assamese. The size adjectives in Assamese are ukho. Ukho means tall. Khin. Khin means thin or slim. Khudra. Khudra means miniature, tiny or minute. Ghuronia. Ghuronia means round. Sapor. Sapor means short. It is the opposite of ukho, which means tall. Suti. Suti means short. It is the opposite of dighol, which means long. Thek and honkirno mean narrow. Thek and honkirno. Dangor. Dangor means big. Dighol. Dighol means long. Usually concrete objects. For example, dighol ba. That means long bamboo. Dighol ba. Digholia. Digholia means long. Usually abstract objects. For example, digholia homoy. Digholia homoy means long time. Prokando. Prokando means huge or enormous. Prokando. Bohol and ahol bohol mean wide or broad. Bohol and ahol bohol. Hokot. Hokot means fat or plump. Horu. Horu means small. Let's describe a few objects to better understand some of these adjectives. Let's take Brahmaputra, which is the river Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra ekhon dighol nodi. That means the Brahmaputra is a long river. Brahmaputra ekhon dighol nodi. ইয়াৰ কিছুমান অংশ বহল আৰু কিছুমান অংশ সংকীৰ্ণ, which means some parts of it are wide and some parts are narrow. ইয়াৰ কিছুমান অংশ বহল আৰু কিছুমান অংশ সংকীৰ্ণ। এই নদীখনত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ডাঙৰ আৰু সৰু মাছ পোৱা যায়. That means the river is home to a variety of large and small fishes. এই নদীখনত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ডাঙৰ আৰু সৰু মাছ পোৱা যায়। ঘূৰণীয়া আকৃতিৰ গংগাটোপ মাছটোও ইয়াত পোৱা যায়, which means the round shaped pufferfish is also found in it. ঘূৰণীয়া আকৃতিৰ গংগাটোপ মাছটোও ইয়াত পোৱা যায়. Here is an excerpt from a conversation between two people describing a person. মানুহগৰাকী দেখিবলৈ কেনেকুৱা? That means, what does the person look like? মানুহগৰাকী দেখিবলৈ কেনেকুৱা? তেওঁ অলপ শকত, which means he is a little fat. তেওঁ অলপ শকত. তেওঁ দেখিবলৈ বগা নে ক'লা? That means, does he have light or dark skin? তেওঁ দেখিবলৈ বগা নে ক'লা? তেওঁ দেখিবলৈ বগা, which means he is light skinned. তেওঁ দেখিবলৈ বগা। আৰু তেওঁৰ চুলিখিনি চুটি. That means, and his hair is short. আৰু তেওঁৰ চুলিখিনি চুটি। ওখ নে চাপৰ? That means he is tall or short. উখনে চাপৰ উখ means tall ukho. Here is another excerpt from a conversation between two friends describing an animal while they were visiting a zoo. Hey Africar hatitu dekhisane, which means have you seen that African elephant? Here hey is equivalent to the English demonstrative pronoun distal determiner that. Hey Africar hatitu dekhisane? Ba prokando hihotor kan dukhonu bes dangor. That means wow, huge. They also have very large ears. Here kan means ear and bes means enough or well. Ba prokando hihotor kan dukhonu bes dangor. Aru ei nahor futuki bagtuloi swa. That means and look at that leopard. Here a is equivalent to the English demonstrative pronoun proximal determiner dis. And nahor futuki bag means leopard. Aru ei nahor futuki bagtuloi swa. Africar hatitur tulonat iyak tenei khudro jen lage, which means it seems tiny compared to the African elephant. Here tulona means comparison, tenei means absolutely, and zen means like or us. Africar hatitur tulonat iyak tenei khudro jen lage. Tothapiu ই আফ্ৰিকাৰ জংগলত হাতী শিকাৰ কৰে. That means yet it hunts elephants in the jungles of Africa. Here tothapiu means nevertheless. Jungle means jungle. E means eat and শিকাৰ kor means hunt. Tothapiu ই আফ্ৰিকাৰ জংগলত হাতী শিকাৰ কৰে. সাধাৰণতে চিৰিয়াখানাত থকা জীৱ-জন্তুবোৰ ক্ষীণ নহয়নে? Which means animals in zoos are usually thin, aren't they? Here সাধাৰণতে means usually or generally. চিৰিয়াখানা means zoo and জীৱ-জন্তু means animals in collective sense. সাধাৰণতে চিৰিয়াখানাত থকা জীৱ-জন্তুবোৰ ক্ষীণ নহয়নে? হয়, কাৰণ সিহঁতে ঠেক আৰু বন্ধ ঠাইৰ ভিতৰত থাকিব লগা হয়. Yes, because they have to live inside closed narrow spaces. Here, hoy means yes, karon means because, thai means place or space, and bhitor means inside. Hoy, karon sihote ঠেক আৰু বন্ধ ঠাইৰ ভিতৰত থাকিব লগা হয়. Here are some additional adjectives to describe the shape, size, and structure of objects. Godhur. Godhur means heavy. As in, mur munatu bor godhur. That means my bag is too heavy. Here, muna means bag and bor means very. Mur munatu bor godhur. Sepeta. Sepeta means flat, as in tar naktu sepeta, which means his nose is flat. Tar naktu sepeta. Dat. Dat means thick, as in kalirati khub dat kuoli porisil. That means it was very foggy last night. Here khub means excessive and kuoli means fog. Kalirati khub dat kuoli porisil. Patol. Patol means light or thin, as in the sentence ei kapur khon bor patol, which means this cloth is very thin or light. Ei kapur khon bor patol. Bikhal. Bikhal means broad or vast. As in, সাগৰখন দেখিবলৈ বৰ বিশাল. That means the sea is very vast to look at. Here, সাগৰ means sea or ocean. সাগৰখন দেখিবলৈ বৰ বিশাল. Brihot. Brihot means large. As in the sentence, আমাৰ গাঁওখনৰ সোঁমাজত এটা বৃহৎ পুখুৰী আছে. Which means there is a large pond in the middle of our village. Here, সোঁমাজ means middle and পুখুৰী means pond. আমাৰ গাঁওখনৰ সোঁমাজত এটা বৃহৎ পুখুৰী আছে. Now let us quickly review the size adjectives that we have learned in this lesson. Ukho. Ukho means tall. Godhur. Godhur means heavy. Ghuronia. Ghuronia means round. Sapor. Sapor means short, which is opposite to tall. Suti. Suti means short, that is opposite to long. Sepeta. Sepeta means flat. Thek and Honkirno mean narrow. Thek and Honkirno. Dangor. Dangor means big. Dat. Dat means thick. Dighol. Dighol means long. Usually concrete objects. For example, Dighol Dolong, which means long bridge. Digholia or Dirgha means long, usually abstract objects. For example, Digholia Hobha. Digholia Hobha means long meeting. Patol. Patol means light or thin. Prokando. Prokando means huge or enormous. Bohol and Ahol Bohol. Bohol and Ahol Bohol mean wide or broad. Bikhal. Bikhal means broad or vast. Brihot. Brihot means large. Hokot. Hokot means fat or plump. Horu. Horu means small. Khin. Khin means thin or slim. Khudra. Khudra means miniature, tiny or minute. Please note that Assamese size adjectives are usually simple words and may be categorized under basic adjectives of the language. We conclude the lesson here. To enhance your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills in the Assamese language, keep practicing these Assamese size adjectives. We will meet again soon with another important aspect of the language on this platform. Until then, stay tuned and stay healthy. Dhonyabat.